Global players making billions with lifetime engineering. They are developing products with a calculated lifetime. In this case, usually only 12 months. They just want our money. They don't even care about our environment. My name is Dinko Jurcevic and I'm the inventor, founder and CEO of BLUFIXX. Let's save your money and our environment. To help you to repair your items instead of throwing them away, we developed and patented the world's most innovative repair pen. The BLUFIXX repair pen is engineered and manufactured in Germany to keep the quality of the original. Millions of users around the globe are repairing the items with BLUFIXX instead of throwing them away. A few years ago, I used to work as a dental technician and we used a similar gel to create or repair ceramic teeth. One day I said to my friend, if we can repair ceramic teeth with this gel, then it should be possible for everybody to repair anything. Simple, fast, with this high-end technology. How often have you thrown your charger cables away? Especially the white ones. And they are so expensive. $20, $30, $40 every time. And if you buy the Me Too's, they don't even work like the original. So keep the original and repair it with BLUFIXX. And now look, with BLUFIXX you can repair it easily. Just apply BLUFIXX on the broken cable. Use the LED to harden the gel. Apply BLUFIXX. It hardens instantly. One tube of BLUFIXX will repair more than 100 chargers. The BLUFIXX repair pen consists of a cartridge which is filled at least with 5 grams of the white repair gel, the holder and the specially designed LED. You can easily change the batteries. Just remove them and put the new ones in. Millions of charger cables has been thrown away every day. And the only reason is because the global players want to make more and more money. Let's fight against those global players. Support BLUFIXX today and save your money. But even more important, let's save the environment for children.